Like an angel who has forsaken sympathy, rise up, young boy, and make yourself a legend. Blue skies and beckoning winds are trying to open the door of your heart, but you're gazing at me as if you cannot see. You just stand there smiling vacantly. Your eyes hold such innocence. You're blind to the fate that will soon come to pass, but it's summoning you with a touch like a sigh. You seek it without knowing why. But someday I know that you will be awakened, and your eyes will finally see. These wings on your back are just waiting to guide you. The future will soon set you free. This cruel thesis, the spiteful angels listening, will soon soar from the window of your destiny. White hot pathos, a desecrated symphony. Stay true to this and don't betray your memory. Come now, reach out, you must embrace reality. Rise up, young boy, and make yourself a legend. Slept forever so long, embraced in affection and cradled with care. But with morning's approach comes an echoing cry. It tells you to wave your dreams goodbye. And the moon is shining above. It wishes to show just how fragile you are. You're so frail and slight in its silvery light. Our fate is not one we can fight. Someday I hope that we'll be reunited, if that is what's destined to be. Perhaps we'll discover that elusive Bible, and then we will finally be free. This cruel thesis, a spiteful angel's mockery, will bring with it the sorrow of futility. Hold on tightly and do not lose vitality. You must wake up, for now the dream is history. You must embrace humanity. Rise up, young boy, and make yourself a legend. Love is the thread of the story that's woven, the future and present.